All right, number 10, we have a multiple choice question that says, which statement is true about the box and whisker plots? So we have two box and whisker plots. One is about your class and one is about your friend's class, and they are about test scores. So I'm going to read through the options here, and we're going to decide which one is the most fitting. So A says half of the test scores in your class are between 85 and 100. So when we think of half of something, that is 50%. And we want to think of it in percentages because box and whisker plots break up into percentages. A box and whisker plot has 4 sections. If I label my 5-number summary here, I can see that my first section is going from my minimum to my Q1. My second section is Q1 to the median. My third section is the median to Q3. And then my fourth section is the Q3 to my maximum. So since we have 4 sections and our whole box and whisker plot together is 100%, 100% divided by 4 gives us 25%. So that means each section is worth 25%. So with that being said, A says half the test scores in your class are between 85 and 100. So I'm going to look at my box and whisker plot. I'm going to find 85, that's right here. And then 100 is over here. I'm going to count how many sections that is. That is 1, 2, 3 sections. If each section is 25%, that is a total of 75%. So that is not correct. All right, looking at problem B, it says 25% of the test scores in your friend's class are 80% or 80 or above. So I'm going to find 80 for my friend's class, and then above would be anything greater than 80. So I'm going to count how many sections that is for my friend's class. That is 1 section and 2 sections. So each section again is 25%. 25 plus 25 is 50%. So this is wrong because that says 25% of the test scores in your friend's class are 80 or above. All right, part C says the medians are the same for both classes. So if I label the median, goes minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and max. And then the same for my friend's class, minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and max. The median for my class is 90, and the median for my friend's class is 80. So those are not the same. And then part D says the test scores in your friend's class are more spread out than the test scores in your class. So for this one, we just kind of have to look at just the overall display of both. From my class, I'm going from about 67 to 100, and my friend's class is going from 60 to 100. So just by looking at that range, I could tell that my friend's class is more spread out than my class.